Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics for UPSC. First, thoroughly understand the UPSC syllabus for economics, paying close attention to both micro and macro topics. Next, begin your preparation with NCERT textbooks, specifically those from classes 9 to 12. These books provide a strong foundational understanding of economic principles. Focus on core concepts such as demand and supply, national income accounting, and basic market structures. Building this strong base is crucial before moving to advanced materials. After NCERT, move to standard reference books like Ramesh Singh's Indian Economy for more in-depth coverage. It's vital to stay updated with current economic affairs, government policies, and budget highlights. Read reputable financial newspapers daily to grasp contemporary issues. Additionally, analyze previous year's question papers to understand the exam pattern and identify recurring themes. This helps you prioritize topics and focus your study efforts effectively. Regular answer writing practice is essential for both the mains and prelims examinations. Try to integrate economic concepts with current events in your answers to demonstrate a holistic understanding. Solving a significant number of multiple-choice questions will help improve your speed and accuracy for the preliminary exam. Focus on applying theoretical knowledge to practical scenarios, which is often tested. Consistent practice will build confidence and refine your analytical skills. Consistent revision is key to retaining information. Create concise, self-made notes that you can quickly review before the exam. Participate in mock tests regularly to evaluate your preparation level, identify weak areas, and manage your time effectively under exam conditions. Remember, a structured approach and consistent effort will significantly boost your chances. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.